One of the most frequent questions that I get asked from the students and also people who are just getting started in data analyst roles is what are some of the real life use cases which I can share from industry so that they can get a glimpse of how data is being used for decision making. So in this video, I am going to share 3 use cases on how I have been using data in my day-to-day work in different companies that I have worked with and show you how basically the data was used for decision making. The first example I would like to give you is from the first company in which I was working as a financial analyst. So I was analyzing the financial statements, balance sheets, and profit and loss statements, and analyzing the investment proposals of the clients and trying to find out ROI and debt service coverage ratio, meaning to say that whether they will be able to repay the loan if we extend them the loan. So as you can see, this is completely data. There is no assumption or no intuition based on what we would decide. So this is one example where we were using data analysis to come up with certain metrics which will help us make a decision whether to extend the loan or not to the client. Second example I would like to share when I was working in an insurance industry. So I was a product analyst there. So I used to create presentations and do deep dive analytics in terms of what are the existing portfolio of products that we are having, what products are making profit in what different locations, what are loss making locations, what are profit making locations, and then based on that there was a meeting where we used to decide which products to continue and which products to get away with, or what are the changes that we need to do to make a loss making product to a profit making product. So these are some of the key decisions that were made purely performing data analysis, looking at the historical performance of the products and then making projections based on what the business goal is for the future of. Lastly, I would like to share an example from HR analytics. We all know that employees leaving the company, especially the top talent leaving the company, is a major cause of concern for the companies. So on a regular basis, I pull up attrition analysis for my stakeholders where I sit and discuss with them what are the pockets of population which are experiencing higher than above attrition. So highlighting these pain points help the business leaders to course correct and take some data informed decisions to change policies so that they can actually create a retention strategy which will help them in creating a solution where we are able to reduce the attrition percentage. So I hope I was able to share some interesting examples which convinced you how we are using data in day-to-day decision making. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video.